We honor our core value of civic and community engagement every year by participating in activities such as Dr. King's Day of Service and honoring his legacy. It's also a way for our students to build community. Today we started off in the Ludwig Center. We got all the students registered, gave them some t-shirts.
So what we're doing here today is an intergenerational service project with some students from the University of Laverne and a few residents from Hillcrest, this nonprofit retirement community here. And it all came about because the University of Laverne and Hillcrest have shared genealogy through the Laverne Church of the Brethren, which started both of them. And so we're really well connected, and I look for every opportunity I can for our organizations to do things together. We actually have two different things happening, some replanting of some drought-tolerant plants that we need for this pollinator garden. And then there's another group that are helping to spread mulch to help with water conservation.
I've done community service, but it was more at like food banks, childcare like services. So this is definitely different. It's a good way to kind of play my part in like my role. Like I love Laverne, it's made an impact on me. I just hope to bring this community a sense of environment. It's their home, so obviously everyone wants their home to look nice.
It's lovely that University of Laverne reaches out to Hillcrest and engages people here. Those alliances between the two different age groups is super important. I think each side learns more about the other, and it's been lovely.
Honoring this day isn't about looking back, or it's not just about looking back. We also need to be looking forward. And being of service in community is like living the dream that Dr. King wanted us to live.